If you want to avoid roof headaches, knowing the typical warranties on ridge vents and powered fans is clutch. Okay, so first up, ridge vents usually come with a warranty that covers anywhere from 10 to 20 years, depending on the brand and quality. They're mostly backed by manufacturers against defects, so if they crack or warp early on, you're covered. Powered fans, on the other hand, often have shorter warranties, like 5 to 10 years, since they have electrical components that can fail. Make sure you check if the warranty covers just parts or parts plus labor, because that can save you cash if something goes wrong. Also, some warranties don't cover damage caused by poor installation or weather issues, so it's smart to get your vents and fans installed by pros. A tip is to always register your product after buying. It usually activates your warranty and makes claims smoother. Finally, keep your receipts and any paperwork safe, because you'll need them if you have to make a claim. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vent and powered fan warranties is not reading the fine print, which leads to surprises when something breaks. Fix that by asking the seller or contractor for a clear explanation before you buy. Another common problem is assuming all warranties cover labor costs. Most don't, so confirm that up front if you want full coverage. Lastly, a lot of homeowners skip product registration, which can void the warranty entirely, so don't forget to do that as soon as you get your vent or fan. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about vents and fans. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing real work without the hassle of endless searching.